Are you in charge of consumable ordering for your workshop? Well, listen in, because we're putting the power to order right in the palm of your hand for more convenient, accurate and efficient ordering. Isn't that right, Terry? That's right, Terry. So whether you're out on the workshop floor, checking inventory in the storeroom, or maybe you're out on site and you need to place an order, there's no need to rush back to your desk or hunt for a computer. With Quickscan, ordering can be done right from your phone. Whether it's scanning the barcode on the product packaging or using the labels we provide for your shelves, ordering with Quickscan is easy as scan and add quantities. Let me show you just how quick and easy it is. Simply navigate to our website, log into your account, and then tap on the Quickscan icon. Then tap on the barcode icon, scan the product, and enter the quantity that you would like to order. It's that simple. So quick, so easy. With Quickscan, ordering from Euromarc can be convenient, accurate and efficient. And here's a pro tip. Add our website to your home screen so you can access it with just a tap. No more searching, just seamless ordering. So whether you're on the workshop floor, counting stock in the storeroom, or out on site, let Quickscan simplify your ordering process. Try it today and experience the convenience for yourself.